I am extremely honored to utilize this opportunity to exchange my views about Indian National Science Day. 28th February is the anniversary of discovery of scattering of light which belongs to Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Celebration of Science Day avails opportunity and encourage for the innovations in the science. It signifies the importance of science in everyday life. In the form of textual explanation and prediction, the science endeavors to build and to organize the knowledge. Science is based on observation, identification, experimental investigations, and theoretical explanation of nature and natural phenomena. Science, technology, innovations each represent a successively larger category of activities which are highly interdependent and distinct. Science serves as a direct source of knowledge. It serves as a source of tools and the techniques for more efficient designs of the life. Science serves a lot in the research instruments and laboratory techniques. Then ancient records of Egypt and Mesopotamia are the great holders of the development of the science. Their contribution to the science shaped natural philosophy and the knowledge of physical world. Ancient society of Mesopotamia used knowledge about the properties of various natural chemicals for manufacturing pottery, glass, soap, metals, lime plaster and waterproofing. Ancient India was a land of sages and seers as well as the land of scholars and the scientists. Many theories and techniques discovered by the ancient Indians have created and strengthened the fundamentals of modern science and technology. Aryabhatta was the great Indian scientist of his time. His contribution include pi approximation, area of triangle, solar system, earth spinning and discovery of the zero. Ancient Indians also understood the art of water governance. Ancient Indians were the people of great vision, value, wisdom, purity and the compassion. It is extremely important that India retain its position as a spearhead of the global scientific fraternity. The spark has already been ignited by our great scientists like Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, APJ Abdul Kalam and various Indian organizations. Aims of celebration of Science Day are to discuss all the issues and implement new technology for the development in the field of science, to give opportunity to the scientific minded citizens in India, to encourage the people as well as to popularize science and technology. Theme of National Science Day for this year 2023 is Global Science for Global Well-being. Global science highlights the significant role of science in the society. By linking science more closely with the society, global science aims to ensure that citizens are kept informed of development in the science. Science deals with systematic examination of the structure and functioning of natural world. The ultimate goal of science is to discover the simplest general principles that can explain the enormous complexity of the nature. The practical impact of scientific research has led to the emergence of science policies that seek to influence the scientific enterprise. In the year 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication asked the Government of India to designate 20th February as a National Science Day. The event of Science Day is now celebrated all over India. Indian National Science Day is celebrated in India each year to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman on 28th February in the year 1928. Research of C.V. Raman was one of the earliest proof of quantum nature of the light. Johns Hopkins University confirmed the Raman effect. There at Johns Hopkins University, Robert Wood made verification and felt very happy to announce the highest standard of the discovery of the Raman effect. Attempts of Raman on the phenomenon of light scattering is one of the most convincing for the quantum theory. Raman awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. He was the first Asian person to receive Nobel Prize in any branch of science. Collaboration of K.S. Krishnan and C.V. Raman on scattering of light was resulted into the discovery of novel phenomena of the light scattering. More famously, it is known as Raman effect. For example, when the light passes from one medium to another, say a glass of water, then a part of the light is absorbed by the particles of the medium, preceded by its subsequent radiation in particular direction. Raman effect is change in the wavelength of light beam deflected by the molecules. When a beam of light traverses a dust-free transparent sample of chemical compound, a small fraction of light emerges in all directions other than that of incident or incoming beam. The intensity of scattered light depends on the size of particles and wavelength of the light. The pattern of Raman line is the characteristic of particular molecular species, and its intensity is proportional to the number of scattering molecules in the path of the light. The energies corresponding to the Raman frequency shifts are found to be energies associated with the transitions between different rotational and vibrational states of the scattering molecules. In liquids, rotational motions are hindered and discrete rotational Raman lines are not found. Therefore, liquids are more frequently studied. Raman spectra are used in the qualitative and quantitative analysis. Science have developed a cell phone for detecting the chemicals, drugs, biological molecules and the pathogens. It is based on fluorescence spectroscopy and Raman spectroscopy and uses the high quality cameras found in modern cell phones. The mobile phones allowed human beings to send and to view the messages much more faster than imagined. Looking at mobile phone for prolonged hours can lead to various issues such as tiredness and dryness or even blurred vision and headache. Since eye damage caused by the cell phone use is often long term, it is best to tackle this issue by preventing it rather than looking for the cure later on. Prevention is better than the cure. I am thankful and acknowledge the receipt of support from Vijnana Bharati, National Center for Cell Science, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, Chatanagar and International Science Community Association. Thank you for participation in the celebration of Indian National Science Day. On occasion of Indian Science Day, link on the Glimpse of Science Day is given here. Participants are requested to go through this link. There is a quiz on the day 28 February 2023. Link for quiz is going to release early in the morning at 8 AM on 28 February 2023, and it is going to accept the response from all the participants up to the 10 PM. Thank you once again.